Hey guys, today's service tip is on when to replace your wiper blades. So when you think of vehicle safety, you don't necessarily think of wiper blades, when in reality, wiper blades are one of the most important safety features on your vehicle. Driving with impaired vision is one of the most common reasons for accidents nowadays. A few things to look out for with your wiper blades is a damaged, broken, or worn windshield wiper can do damage to your windshield. Dirt and other small objects that may be caught underneath the wiper blades can scrape across your windshield, causing scratches. Heat and freezing temperatures may cause the wiper blades to harden, become brittle, leaving them to skip and leave streaks. If you think your wiper blades need to be replaced, come on by and we'll be more than happy to check them out and replace them for you. Otherwise, if you come in for any other oil services or any services in general, we'll take a look at them and we'll let you know if they need to be replaced. It is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on climate and the use of the wiper blades. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our service department or stay tuned on our Facebook page. Keep your windshields clean and stay safe, guys. Thanks.